Hello! Today I'd like to show you this real yellow with black dress. Because of the very strong shoulders, I suppose it is from the 80s. And I have made some pictures for you to see up close how it looks like and what details have been added to make it look like it does. So, in my opinion, this dress has no specific hanger appeal, so it looks a little bit blunt when it is just like this. It's a short dress, it has shoulders, small cap sleeves, and no frills. But still, behind the seams, there are some beautiful details. One of the details I like is the V neck. So it is really steep, it goes right until the waistline. And it has a small step fastener right here. I've made some close-up pictures so you can see it is very small, and it is an old-fashioned trick to hold something together, which we don't use as much anymore. We are so much used to using zippers and Velcro and things like that, but this is so beautiful. It's just a small touch, so the neckline won't open up. Really beautiful. So what I like about this dress is that it is simple in its design. It has beautiful features, but you have to look up close to see the beauty of it. So the strong shoulders and the fluid fabric, they together mix up really well to create that silhouette of a strong woman.